Hey, my friend, DK here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I upload new content to the channel here about myEcon or anything to do with making money online. Now, I want to try to make a short and sweet video for you here and answer one of the most common questions that I see here in the comments or when people reach out to me and they're looking to get started with myEcon. And more specifically, they're looking to use our proven and documented front end marketing system that we use with our myEcon business because it's valued at over $10,000. It costs us hundreds of hours, tens of thousands of dollars to build it all. And we give it to you absolutely free just for activating your myEcon membership. At the end of this video, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave you an end card. You'll see it right here on the screen somewhere. You can click on that. You can watch my full tutorial and see the ins and outs of our marketing system, what's in there, your funnels, the email follow-up and app, all that good stuff. Learn more about it if you're looking to get started with myEcon. But one of the common questions that I get is, are there additional costs? So meaning once you start your business, and you could start this business anywhere around the world, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Mexico, Canada, you name it, we're in over 150 countries around the world. So yes, myEcon is now global, my friends, right here, 2025, making it happen. But to answer that common question, are there additional costs? And the quick answer is no. We don't charge for, once you get into our team training site, the one that's right there, a lot of people think or probably just assume because this is how a lot of people do it. This is how a lot of so-called systems do this, where you got to go spend extra money to get you in the door. And then, whether it's, a multiple, income thing or whatever it is to get you in the door. And then it's upsell after upsell after upsell after upsell. Next thing you know, you invested what you thought was a low ticket offer, something less than $100. And now you're spending thousands that you didn't even know because there were hidden costs or hidden fees. So the quick answer is no, there are no hidden costs, no answer fees. Now, a little bit of a longer answer is the one and only thing that we recommend that you get is a domain name. And that's really for your personal branding. Can you build a business without going to buy a domain name? Sure, absolutely. You could use Google link shorteners. You could use Bitly or whatever the heck it's called. You could use those things and have a link shortener, or you could just not use one at all and you could just have no additional cost and be good to go. But we recommend that you get a domain name for your branding. So when you're out there and you're on social like TikTok or YouTube or Facebook or whatever, you have a domain name that maybe works specifically with you. Like I have my own, danielkump.com. I also have growwithdaniel.com. Those are both domain names that are branded to me that when I'm out there on social, people can see that domain name. It's branded to me and it's easy to remember. It's easy to say. And it just helps get you more clicks to your link ultimately. And you can get a domain name as an example through GoDaddy for about $12 a year, like $1 a month. So, is that an upsell? Is that a hidden cost? Not necessarily, because, it's something that we recommend. You don't have to do it, but it's recommended. And again, it's just to help brand you. But when it comes to working with our system, going through, getting access to that over $10,000 in value. It's the second time I hit my mic. I think I'm sitting a little too close. But straight up, like you get the system free. There's no hidden cost. There's no need to buy page builders. You don't need to buy email autoresponders. You don't have to buy ads or traffic, right? And there's no other integration tools or softwares that you have to buy. We give you everything you need to be up and running in your myEcon business literally today. You could be up and running within an hour from right now if you get started. So hit the link in the description down below if you're looking to activate your myEcon membership, get yourself started, lock in, and let us help you in. We have a proven and documented system that we've been using for years, and it's helped over 10,000 people make their first dollar online. If you want more information, click on the end card right here at the end of this video. Jump on over to my full tutorial, watch the whole thing, get fully informed. Otherwise, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. Really appreciate you. It does help the channel, and you will be the first to know anytime I put out new content around making money online or myEcon. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. Hopefully that answered your question regarding hidden cost, and we will hopefully see you on the inside in just a few minutes. Take care.